Yeah, overall had a really great weekend. Started off just a little bit slow, since I wasn't here for the first, 12 years was the last time I raced here. Yeah, just got to grips with it slowly in practice. Didn't get the best qualifying, down in 7th place, but yeah, I was looking forward to the races because I've always been great at the races, and yeah, made 2 real good starts in both the races, just passed a lot of people in the first few laps. I think that was the key, just getting past people, and then as soon as they would try and come up and pass me, I'd just get them past them back. So happy to get a 2nd and 1st place here, seeing as though it's not my favourite track, and looking forward to the next 2 tracks.
Yeah, this weekend for me has been absolutely awesome. I got pole position, which was an extra point, and then 3 from 3 wins. I couldn't ask for more. It was the championship. I was behind around 44 points on the championship lead coming into it, and now I think we're down to about 3 points, but I think it's something like that. But I'm super happy to close it down to that margin. I can't thank everyone enough that's helped me out before this round. I put in so much work before this round. The preparation by me and my family has just been ridiculous. The amount of training we've done, we've worked so hard. But yeah, it's all paid off in the end. Thank you.